finally do a retake of the St. Andrews. St. Andrews Place's modded Kones. Modded TMS 50Es, I think. Now these have, last time I read these before, I didn't have a button beep or the UK voice, so maybe it's been modernised again. I don't remember having an MX-18 either, which it definitely has now. Yeah, it has an MX-18 sound. Or maybe it's an MX-18. It sounded kind of silent at brakes. I don't know. Didn't have a voice last time, didn't have button beeps last time, I swear I didn't have that motor sound either. I love the buttons though, they look nice.
Basement 4.
Oh, that car park stinks, what is that? The cab's older, looks older than centre points. So these are like older list modernised by TMS 50E and modernised again recently. 1156 kilograms, 17 persons.
First floor.
33 North Street. Here's a link to the hospital. Don't know why that LOP is so big. But yeah. Hope Centrepoint's mod isn't as boring.